Hello, what's going on guys, and welcome to the channel. Now I would like to take this opportunity to thank every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. Secondly, I would like to thank you for watching this video. Yes, you, I would like to thank you for watching this video. Now that out of the way, then today I want to show you how to use a Excel sheet to design a slab. And I have a full package here, and I will be doing a tutorial on all of them, but today we will start with slab, and we'll start with two-way slab. So let's do this. And this is the easiest way to design a slab. It is the most easiest way. You can do this to design, or sometimes you can use this to check your slabs. Now let's get into it. So this is a template. I just come here and I just zoom a little bit, and then as we all know, we have our simple structure right here. So let us design this panel, because this is the biggest panel. So if we design this panel, we'll use the data we get from here to provide to every other panel. Let's do this. So if you want to change these details, you can just come to the first here, and then you edit here, and it will edit to all the rest. We are not interested to do that. Let's just design this. First thing first, we need to choose our FY. So I will just go with 460. FCU 25 is enough. Okay. LX we have 5200 is our LX. You just come here. 5.2 guys, and on anything you need to check the units. Okay, so it's the meter, then 5.2. Other thing is the 5.7. okay, this is LY, so it's the 5.7. okay, now after that, concrete cover is 25. Distribution, this is not important. You can put 12 if you want, but that's not important. Width is always 1000, not important. Main bar also not important, because will change in the future, so that means important. This is important, you because it checks the your cover. It's you have selected a sufficient cover, so we'll go with mild. And then what you need to do, only look to the blue. You only edit on the blue color. Okay, so our depth we'll stick with 100 or 150. Now let's go to our loads. Finishes, I will just put as 0.7 of finishes. Partition load, I'll put 0. Any other load, let's say 0.5. Okay, impose load, I'll stick with 3.5. Now we need to select our end conditions. So as you can see here, we have a shorter span discontinue and longer span discontinue. Okay, so short span, this short edge discontinue, and long edge discontinue. Okay, the rest are okay. So now let's come here. As you can see, this shows the area of reinforcement required. This shows the area of reinforcement provided. So what I need to do here, you need to check the bar according to the availability of material on your location. On my side, on my country, we have 10mm bars, but most of the time people are using 12. So and 12 is more is easily available than 10. So I'll use 12. I'll go with 12 everywhere. And as I said on my previous detailing video, that you need to be consistent. Okay, you need to be very consistent, guys. You don't need to select 10 here, then 8 here, then 16 here. No, just be consistent. That's how engineers do. As you can see right now, you need to check here. As you can see, area provided is a little bit higher compared to the required, but this area, this is the closest one, so I'll check this one. I'll try to 250, and still on 250 my provided is still higher than the required, but I see if I'll stick with 250. And I'll tell you what, guys, when you're designing a slab, don't go above 250. Even if your required area is 100 like this one, just stick with more, don't go above 250. Okay, so and on the topic of of reinforcement, please be consistent. So because we are using 250 here, I'll just put 250 on the rest, because this was the highest area of reinforcement that was required. So that means all of these will be very okay. Okay, sorry, I want to 250, and then here also 250. Okay, just please guys, try to maintain consistency. If I got here, let's assume I was supposed to use, let's say, 150 here, then I would have selected 150 on every other thing, so that I can maintain my consistency. Right now I'll go with 250, and everything seems to be okay. So as you can see here, deflection is okay, and it shows that everything has passed. And that is all, guys. Now you have designed your slab, you have your reinforcement data, you have your thickness of the slab, and that is it. You're good to go. So as you can see, it's very, very easy to use. And guys, if you want this template, just email me. I'll leave my email in the description, and I will send this to you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you watching my videos. So thank you again so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.